Everybody's favorite bumpkin here. Little heads up for you guys, if you're dealing with aftermarket wheels that come with the old style two-piece Timken bearings, make sure you check them to keep them honest. Here, let me give you a damn good example. This hub assembly came from Ted's V-Twin, and I've been burned by them before, so nowadays I always pop the bearings out, check the seals, check the end play, yada yada yada. Now, on first look, you would think we're okay here because it looks like we have copious amounts of this substance that passes as grease here, and you would think that it's packed fairly well, right? Well, let me show you something here. You notice that peculiar little pattern on that inner bearing race in the hub? Yeah. Look close inside there. No grease inside that bearing whatsoever. They smeared it all on the outside, dropped it in the hole, put a seal on top of it, and shipped it out the door. And the bad part is these are actually decent bearings. These are NTN, Japanese-made bearings. But, yeah, not packed right. Grease of questionable lineage. And any bets on whether or not the end plays right? Because there wasn't no shims in this thing. Stay tuned. We're going to find out.